when you're presenting in different conventions and there are business owners sitting in the room and you ask certain questions right at the beginning, you sometimes get mild response because people still don't know you and they don't know what to expect. But it was just brilliant when I asked Portuguese business owners just to raise their hand and engage right in the first go itself. There was 100% participation. And that gave me such a boost of confidence and energy because that showed that they are absolutely there showing up for their business and for making their business even better. That's absolutely phenomenal. All right, so the number that actually inspires me to do what I'm doing, it's a number which is 4%. And let me give you a little background about this 4%. There was a research which was done across different businesses, 26 million being researched businesses, and only 4% of the businesses ever get to cross 1 million turnover mark. Now the interesting bit is that each and every business owner who starts wants to actually make it big, actually wants to create a big impact in their community, but only 4 out of 100 actually get to cross that turnover mark. Now the number 2 reason, I'll talk about number 2 reason, is the lack of delegation. And the lack of delegation happens when the right management and leadership mix is not available in the business. There are 3 key KPIs of a business owner, and especially the MD. And the first being is to actually be very clear as to what the company needs to achieve. And the second is to have the network of people who will actually help the business owner achieve that. And the third thing is to ensure that those activities are being done by the people. Now, as far as the leader is concerned, the difference between leadership and management, as far as the leader is concerned, he or she actually sets the objective, what the company needs to achieve. The person actually motivates the team and keeps on aligning the team members. But actually, on a day-to-day basis, it's the management, it's the manager who actually does the planning, the budgeting, hiring of people, making sure they're inducted properly, actually managing the problems, systemizing the solutions. And it's my personal belief that in SME context, at least up to 50 million size companies, leadership is overrated. What's really required by you and for you is to actually become even better at management. And one more point I would like to make is that the whole concept of managing team or managing people is actually flawed. It's actually wrong. Think about it like this. Do you want to get managed? Do you want to get controlled by other people? Not really. The people who are working with you are actually grown-up individuals. They're smart people. What you need to do is to make a distinction. You don't need to manage people. You need to actually manage the activities of those people. And that becomes a lot easier once you know what you're trying to achieve and what needs to be put in place to achieve that. And then it becomes simpler to manage people's activities rather than managing people.